We had discussed about the issues of MRSSA and also ILP, and again similarly, as I was mentioned earlier, and which was also expressed by the Honorable Governor, that he is concerned about these issues and that he will be taking up the matter also at his level along with the Home Ministry, and he has also asked me also to parallelly also follow up with this matter. And he has again expressed that the concerns of the people of the state are important to him also, and that he will do his best from his side to discuss this matter with the MHA and try to move this forward. So we've discussed this in detail, and the Honorable Governor will be going post 17th of December to Delhi, and he'll be meeting the Honorable Home Minister and other leaders to discuss this matter. So we hope that we'll be able to find a positive way forward in this. Now, it's not about clarification. He has seen the entire file and he's seen the entire bill, and he feels that it is something that is doable and possible, and but at the same time he feels that this matter still needs to be discussed with the centre, because there were certain concerns earlier, and because of that this bill did not go through at that point in time. So therefore, it will only be appropriate to discuss it with centre, with MHA specifically, and that's what he will be doing. So I think it's a very positive message that he has given to me, and he said that he will definitely do his best to discuss with them and try to move this forward.